And I'll go through some of the new things that Pierre has mentioned here to let you actually see how it works and looks in real life, and just not just in a PowerPoint. So the first thing I'd like to show you is the App Store. How does that look, and what does it mean? If you see here, this Struct PIM right here has a few extra things that would not normally be there. We have the Shopify connector admin, and we have the ETIM connector. And that's because I've installed 2 apps into this specific Struct PIM here. When I go into my settings, I've got a new menu point here called Apps. And in here, I can actually see the apps that is installed into this Struct PIM right here. I can go into the App Store and look at other apps that might be available. Currently, these are the 2 ones we have, but we're working with technology partners and other partners to extend the community around that and make sure we get more apps in there that can solve different purposes. What an app does is it allows us to extend the functionality of Struct PIM. So for example, here, if we look at the ETIM connector, this shows the different places where we can actually extend Struct PIM with an app. So we can build a custom page here, which is what we see up here. We can also add a new widget that will be available on our dashboard. So we can add tabs and sections that will be shown on our products. So custom exporters or actions we can use in our searches, all sorts of things. So what apps really allow us to do is actually to extend the UI that comes with Struct PIM. So you can get a native feel within Struct PIM, but actually working with data that sits outside of Struct PIM. So that's really powerful, and we already see a lot of different use cases for this here.